Good morning, chickies. Good morning. How's all the chickies? Did anybody lay any more eggs? Let's have a look. Nope. 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 Oh my goodness. Look what we have. Wow. Not only one, but 2 eggs. We have a nice olive colored egg from Oreo. And we have a beautiful, very oblong blue egg. And this one is from Charlotte. That's our cream crusted leg bar. And there's little Oreo now. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Is that your egg? Oh, you don't want me taking that, do you? Sorry, girl. I'm gonna take it. Thanks, Oreo. Thanks, Oreo. Oh, hi, Charlotte. Hi. Hi, sweetie. We're gonna stay inside. Yeah, thank you for the beautiful blue egg. You're so sweet. Thanks, Charlotte.